to another video. Stan's Auto Repair. 2003 Pontiac 5. High beam, low beam bulb on the passenger side. The low beam is shot, so what we got here, we're just going with the basic. Only reason why I'm going with basic is the headlight assembly itself is pretty damaged from sun and, you know, the weather since the car was first produced. Excuse me. But the bulb number is 9003, also known as H4, depending on, you know, the model. And it's just a basic, so Walmart about 10 bucks. You can get them at AutoZone, I think relatively a little bit cheaper. But I'm going to make this job a little bit more simpler. Well, actually, I might be able to do it. It's the driver's side. There's a lot of stuff to remove. So the driver's side, just taking the headlight assembly out is probably the most economical. If not, you'll have to remove the battery and all that. But for the passenger side, it's a little bit more accessible, especially if you have smaller hands. You do have the washer fluid bottle that's kind of in the way. So let me go ahead and get some light on. That's a little bit better. But the connector, come on, focus, is right here, which according to the manual, it's supposed to just slide off just like that. Is that water? Don't know. Okay, and then this little rubber booty right here, it's supposed to just come off. But if it's been on there a while, you're definitely going to have to work at it. Like this one, you can hear it makes like little crunch noises. That just means it's been on there. Okay, got the top, bottom loose. Got the top loose. All right. Kind of work it. Then you get that off. Set that to the side. Now inside here, you have a little clip. You gotta pull towards you and then down, and then that lifts up, and then it pulls out towards you, and then you can get your bulb out. Just like so. But let's go ahead and take a look at the bulb. Yeah, the low beam portion, which is up top, looks a little damaged, so that's probably what it is. Well, hopefully it's not a connection, but looking at it more, that's more like dielectric grease. So go ahead and put that there. Go ahead and get this bulb out, and I'll be right back. Come on, why don't you focus? There we go. One thing you always want to do is definitely compare. Okay, look identical. All right, so here's the new bulb. Yeah, and if I compared the two next to each other, like here, I'll do that. Focus. Go ahead and look at that one. See how nice and smooth the top part is? Look at that one. I can get the focus. Come on. Yeah, you see the big difference up the top? The coil is not straight. So, installation is reverse. Oh, let me focus. Really wasn't paying attention on how when it came out. Okay. All right. I'll kind of give you a reference with the other bulb. When you're putting it back in, okay, it's going to go this way. So this is how the bulb will be turning to the front, that little slot there, and you have the two little backs. So it'll go in that way. You might have to wiggle it just a little bit, as you're kind of seeing in there. Now this, see if you can see there. See, I'm pushing it down and then under, and it clips. All right, get your little boot. Get it around your three connectors. Pop it back in place. It does say top here, so make sure it's lined up that way. Then get your connector. This should be okay. And then pop it back on. Now is to make sure it works. Turn the headlights on. And we got low beams. You can see both sides. And we got high beams both sides. So that's a benefit. As you can tell, there's really no difference here. I'm gonna get up front. But you can tell there's really not much difference in brightness. So I believe this other bulb's probably a basic too. So that's how you replace the bulb on your passenger side. Driver's side, same thing. If you have a small enough hand, you can reach in there, but the best way to get to that one, you really don't, like I said, you can remove your assembly, but honestly, removing your battery, to me, my opinion, I would remove the battery to get to that. But that's how you replace the bulb on a 2003 Pontiac Vibe. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment below. You all know what to do. Subscribe, hit that bell. And remember, if it's broke, fix it.